Hey everyone, Victoria here from Credit Fix Solutions, and we just saved a credit report for an amazing client ID 7846. Now this particular client is a cattle farmer and he had a banking default listed in January 2024 for $4,733. Now as we know, defaults are listed for 5 years. This meant that as a farmer, running his business was not going to work and he wouldn't be able to obtain finance that he needs for his family to survive and to keep on doing his great work farming for us and providing food and putting that on our tables until January 2029. So I was more than happy to take this case on. I fought for him for a while. It was about a 2 month to 3 month case for us. Nothing to pay unless we're successful. We put everything we can into these. He had a working plant that was burnt down to the ground and then impacted by flooding, and the bank was actually refusing to consider to remove the default for quite some time, but I managed through perseverance to get it across the line, and his score jumped from 260 to 799. So well done to the team here at Credit Fix Solutions for helping me with that case. We do not charge here unless we're successful. There's no application fees or admin costs up front. We do our work. We know what we're doing. We've done this for 11 years now. We're over 8,000 client files to date. Please get in touch for your free credit report education and assessment. It's as easy as emailing us at sales@creditfixsolutions.com.au. I very much look forward to hearing from you, and thanks for listening.